Sakafet guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Just Ari. If you're joining me for the first time, well, welcome. Thanks for watching and clicking, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you're already you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you, and I hope you like this video. So today I'll be making a dish which is in my family. It's called, simply known as Auntie Barbara's dish. And I had to research this last night. I was like, what is the actual name of this dish? And it's apparently it's called Chicken Florentine. So I'll be making a Chicken Florentine Casserole, better known as, in my family, Auntie Barbara's dish. So I'm dedicating this video to the memory of Auntie Barbara. We love you so much and we miss you every day. So first you want to start with some chicken breast, and of course I've washed my chicken breast with water and vinegar, and now I am cutting that up. For a second I kind of forgot what I was doing, and I was getting ready to chop them really fine. So I just didn't want big chunks, so that's why I'm cutting it in this fashion. And you'll go ahead, and if you're fine with the whole breast, or you just want to slice it in half, then you can go ahead and do so. All right, time to season the chicken. I'm using my regular garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. I think I have some Italian seasoning and some Old Bay seasoning. So yeah, use whatever seasoning you would like and season up that chicken real good. Now I'm getting ready to make my own cream of mushroom instead of buying it from the can. If you want to buy it used from the can, that's awesome. It's a lot easier. So I'm just adding some butter and then some garlic to a saucepan. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my seasonings for taste. Some chicken broth, low sodium, and some heavy whipping cream, and of course some mushrooms. So that's what I'm doing. And of course you can skip this step if you choose to purchase a cream of mushroom in the can. All right, to thicken up my cream of mushroom, I'm adding some almond flour. So just adding a little bit of that to thicken what I have, because we don't want it to be watery. We want it to thicken. So eventually it's going to thicken. And of course I'm using almond flour because I'm keto. So now I'm just going to spray down my pan with some extra virgin olive oil. And then first I'm going to layer down that chicken, the chicken breast. And then I'm going to layer it with some spinach and that cream of mushroom. And of course the final layer will be some cheese. So I'm sprinkling a little bit of cheese, and then halfway through cooking, I add the remainder of the cheese. Here it is, fresh out of the oven, looking so good. And I am so hungry, ready to plate that. So delicious. I hope that you try this recipe. It's guaranteed to be a favorite. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.